the end, a barren wasteland now filled like a fish tank. Why? You want to know why? It's because I hate Endermen. And last time I checked, these guys don't like water. I mean, really don't like water. With my very, very professional plan, we could finally flood the server's end. Speaking of which, Reaver is a server where you get 1 of 18 effects, positive or negative.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Anyways, I have the only good one, speed.
I don't know. I never thought I'd get this far.
My original plan was just to put ice everywhere I could and then just mine it afterwards, but as I was soon to learn, this was inefficient as shit. Jack fucking Dick was done with this, bro. Genuinely nothing was accomplished with ice. Horrible idea, 0 out of 10. Eventually, I landed on this strategy, making staircases all around to try and maximize water usage. Well, that was kind of pointless. Okay, no, it wasn't pointless, but like, it wasn't pointful. Also, there was like a war or something while I was doing this. I don't really know. I was just kind of just minding my business. I'm gonna be real, bro. But what this meant was nobody was checking the end, and the only person who did, I don't think she really cared, like at all. So I was able to just cover the entire island in water, with like nobody caring. Have you guys checked the end recently? Everything was fine until Effects and View wanted to show me a fucking chicken.
That he was gonna make
Chicken.
the armor.
Wow.
Shut that job.
No, why? Okay guys, what please? Okay, what the heck, guys? I've like done nothing. Okay guys, what the please? Dude, I'm not like aligned with anyone right now. I'm like neutral. Prox, is that you?
Oh, why? What the freaky?
Yeah, I'm getting jumped, dude.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Dude, I'm so fucked, bro. Why won't they just people leave me
Has Effects got
alone,
speed?
dude? Sucks, man. Leave me alone. Bro, fuck this server, dude. Fuck this server. Oh my god. Jesus, fuck this server, dude.